Hi, third graders. It's Miss Rayborn here. We are in our last week of our connection to how we express ourselves, and we're finishing up and turning in our coat of arms this week. So let's just quickly go over what we've talked about for the last few weeks, but a couple of reminders is always a good thing. So the last time that we were together, we talked about all the different parts of your coat of arms and where it needs to be. Okay. So, just as a reminder, you have 5 parts of your coat of arms that are required. We talked about this last week, and there's a little handout, and I'll show you where to find it in case you need a reminder. The first thing that has to be up there is your name somewhere in a banner. Remember, it's okay to use your initials, your first name, your last name, your nickname, your first, middle, and last name. It's really up to you what you decide to put there in that spot, okay? I did leave in the directions from Miss Deb from last week, as well as the directions on how to draw a banner, just in case you want a little extra help again, okay? Next thing is the crest, the number 2 spot. It says the crest is the most important symbol about you. So we said, hopefully, the most important thing about you is not that you like pizza, right? We all do love our favorite foods, but it's probably not the most important thing about who you are, right? In your shield shape, you have to have at least 3 symbols. So right here in this spot. And on the back of the page, there's some examples of how you could draw your shield shape and how you could divide it out. Up to you, be creative. So at least 3 symbols there, okay? The number 4 spot is your motto banner. Remember that there are directions on how to draw a banner later in the slideshow if you're having a little bit of trouble. And your motto are words of advice or words that you live by. Try to be kind of short and to the point, right? We said Nike's example was just do it. Maybe your family has a few words that they share with each other. The last thing is the key down at the bottom. You need to explain what your symbols mean to you. For example, in the key on the front side of the paper, it has a little taco shell and a little equal sign, and then it explains that means I love tacos. On the back side over here, it's showing me that a hand like this means I'm helpful, that I will give a helping hand. Okay, so these are the 5 parts that you need to have on your coat of arms before it can be finished. Okay, super important. All right, so I will leave, just like I did last week, the directions for how to draw a banner in case you'd like a little extra help. I will also leave in right here where this video is going to be right here. There will still be the click here to get your parts of your coat of arms handout, the green handout on the thing before. And then right down here in yellow is how to draw a banner handout. So I left all of that still in for you, okay? Now, a little bit later, after Miss Deb gives you the directions again, in case you need a reminder, there is going to be a video from Miss Rayborn about how you're going to turn in your coat of arms this week in Schoology. Miss Deb and I are so excited to see what you have been working on. So take your time. Remember that when you're adding color to your coat of arms, either with colored pencil or marker or crayons, totally up to you, that you're really filling those spaces and leveling up your artwork. Take your time and make something you're proud of. We can't wait to see it. So directions for how to share a couple slides down.